Hi everyone, it's Patrick here from A1 eCommerce. This video today is we're gonna cover options and how to add different options to your products. So if you have an item with different options available, for instance it could be colour, it could be size. You might have a jumper you're selling and you want to sell it in different sizes, so you want to give the customer the option to select the size when buying the item. We're going to cover that in this video today. The website we're currently working on is a jewellery website, and because of this we're going to add ring sizes. If you look on this product now itself, there's no option for the customer to select. They can just add the item to the cart. What we're going to do now is add an option to it, so it displays the different ring sizes so the customer can buy the correct ring size. To set up your options, you need to log into your admin area, scroll over catalogue and go down to options. Click on options. This will then take you to the options page, and then you'll be shown a list of current options that are already set up. You can edit the options or you can delete them by highlighting them and clicking delete. What we're going to do now is insert a new one, so we're going to click the insert tab. Then here you've got the option name, so as we're going to be doing ring sizes, we're going to call it ring sizes. You can call it whatever you want. It could be sizes, it could be colour, it could be whatever you want it to be called. And then you've got the type. You can select, like for this instance now we're going to have a select one, which is a drop down box. You could have a radio, or you could have a checkbox. You could have an image. You could put a different type of one. You could be doing customization. You could be doing I don't know, engraving of a ring, let's say, and you wanted to put a personal message on the ring. You can put a text box there or a text area, which will allow the customer to insert text, so then when they place the order you know what text they want engraving onto the ring. You could maybe also allow file uploading if you're doing printing. You can put date, time and all that, but like I said, for this instance we're going to do a select drop down menu, and then we're going to do sort order. I'm going to have the sort order as one. Once you've added the options there, you then got to add the option values, and the values itself for this instance are going to be the ring sizes. Depending on what it is you're doing, it could be colour, so you could put red, green, whatever. But for instance here now we're going to put the options for the ring that the customer is going to be selling, and the first one's going to be 17mm and the ring size is O, so we're going to put that in there. You can add an image, so it displays an image for each option, and then the sort order you want it to be displayed in. We're going to add a second one, which is 18mm, which is ring size P. I'll put that sort order too. I'm going to add another option, which is 19mm, and you do this for as many options as you want to add to the individual product. Once you finish adding all the options, you click on save, and that's now inserted the option into the list of different options. Here, what we're going to do now is assign that option to that product that was just shown before. So we're going to go to catalogue, products. We're going to find the product. You can also assign options to brand new products. So if you insert a new product, you just do it the same way we've just done it there. And when you're obviously putting all your product details in there, you get to the option tab. You would then insert what we're going to do now into it. So we're going to the options, and you need to remember what the option name was. For this instance it was ring sizes, so as soon as you start typing it in, it will then be displayed. You select that, and then you got the drop down here, which is required yes or no. So if you want it to be required before the customer can check out, you would select yes. I'm going to add the value now. The first value was 17mm. You put the quantity of stock you've got for that particular ring. But if you wanted to subtract the stock, you'd select yes. If you didn't want it to, you'd put no. You can have it so it costs more, so you can plus a price. So if you wanted to plus a price by £1, you'd put 1 in there. You can minus a price. You can do if you're doing loyalty points for your customers, you can give so many points for a specific option, and you can put the weight plus or minus if you're doing if you're working out your shipping by the weight. What I'm doing now is add the second one, which is 18mm. Put the quantity in there. Add the third one, 19mm. Same again, quantity. Once you finish adding them all to the product, you click save. If you're adding a product from scratch, you obviously have to continue to insert the other information in here. Once you finish doing that, like I said, you click save. We'll then insert that option to the product. So we're going to look on this product now, go back onto this page, click refresh. You'll see now an extra area has become available that says available options, and it gives the customer the option to select the ring size that they want to pick, and then it allows them to add it to the cart, and then they can check out. Then when you go to your order, when you go to your admin area and you check your orders, you'll see the order with the actual option next to it, so you know what the customer wants and what size it is that they've ordered. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and please check out our other videos. If you've got any other questions or problems, please contact us and you visit our website at a1ecommerce.co.uk.